Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the AOBEN car buffer polisher kit, a must-have for anyone who loves keeping their vehicle looking sleek and shiny. This electric buffer features a 6-inch dual-action random orbital motion, making it perfect for achieving a swirl-free finish on your car. With 6 different speed settings ranging from 1000 to 4500 RPM, you can easily customize the tool to suit your specific detailing needs, whether it's sanding, waxing, polishing, or sealing glaze. The ergonomic design of the AOBEN car buffer polisher ensures comfortable and convenient operation, with both side and top handles for a secure grip. Plus, the kit includes 3 different foam pads and 1 synthetic wool disc, so you can tackle any polishing task with ease. By investing in the AOBEN car buffer polisher, you'll not only save time and money, but you'll also extend the longevity of your vehicle's paint with proper upkeep. And with a 12-month warranty included, you can feel confident in your purchase. So, if you're ready to take your car detailing game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the AOBEN car buffer polisher kit today. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. Happy detailing, folks.